It takes 21st century business standards and practices to effectively supply U.S. military facilities and units worldwide. For more than 50 years, the legacy means of processing logistics transactions, known as mills, has served DOD well. But the 80-card column format cannot satisfy the increasing demands of present and future generations of logisticians. So in the 1990s, DOD mandated a shift from the mills standards and practices devised in the 1960s to the Defense Logistics Management Standards, the DLMS. In 2013, DOD mandated that the transition to the DLMS be completed by the end of 2019. The DLMS are an evolving set of business processes, rules, and data standards that better support a worldwide combat logistics mission and give warfighters greater flexibility and capability to manage critical wartime supplies. As today's logisticians continue to become considerably more sophisticated, with advances such as standard line of accounting, unique item identifier, and radio frequency identification, only DLMS processing can satisfy present and future demands for logistics support. No longer is there an 80 record position limit because the DLMS use variable length records. The Defense Logistics Management Standards were developed in collaboration with representatives from the military services, defense agencies, and participating federal agencies. The Defense Logistics Agency is responsible for managing DLMS implementation within the joint defense and federal communities through its Defense Logistics Management Standards Program Office. The advantages of the DLMS lie in their ability to accommodate the new enterprise resource planning systems, processes, and implementation, while supporting legacy systems' data exchange requirements. In managing DoD's implementation of the DLMS, the Defense Logistics Management Standards Program Office facilitates global supply chain management and interoperability among suppliers and customers. This leads to continuous process improvements within logistics management and operations. The DLMS Program Office is also responsible for developing business rules that implement OSD logistics policy and mechanisms for information exchange. This is largely achieved through its Process Review Committees, or PRCs. Membership in the PRCs includes representatives from the DoD components, the U.S. Coast Guard, and participating U.S. government agencies. DLMS PRCs are where proposed changes to logistics business processes are introduced, scrutinized, evaluated, and once consensus is reached, accepted and published. The objective is to continually improve and enhance logistic capabilities through a structured collaboration model to ensure that all parties' concerns are addressed. PRCs are the vehicle for change in DoD supply chain operations. Out of the PRCs come new and revised DLMS business processes for DoD components and participating federal agencies to implement in their respective organizations. The DLMS are designed for total logistics support. They provide a powerful set of business rules, standards, objects, and processes, and they have flexibility built in. With a steady flow of ideas, expertise, and imagination, the DLMS are intended to evolve and to keep pace with the continually shifting business environment. The bottom line, we are keeping the warfighter mission ready. Let's get DLMS compliant by 2019.